Blue, what are you doing? Hey, Daisy. Daisy, can you sit? Daisy. Sit. Daisy. Good girl. Dexter, you want some love too? Come here. Daisy wants more. Good puppies. All right, now everybody, come here. Blue, Dexter, and Daisy, come here. Everybody sit. Sit. Good girl, Daisy. You sat for a second. Hey, Blue. Good boy. Blue, can you sit? Blue, come here. Okay, never mind.